What's up, everybody? It's Landen Powell with Utah Adventure Group, and we are out here at the Jordan River State Park at the 10th annual Mini MX Series put on by Edge Powersports and the first annual Utah Adventure Group Stacyc Championship. We are having so much fun, and we have ages 2 to 7 years old on the Stacyc electric bikes out here on the Pee Wee track, and these kids are getting their first taste of racing, which is so exciting. We have had a huge turnout. We've had 50 kids on Stacycs here. We have 8 classes. We've got full gates. I mean, these kids are really getting a taste of some adrenaline and some real racing action. The Utah Adventure Group is your go-to experts for all things real estate, but we are also the go-to for all things adventure, and especially when it's involved with motorsports.
From winning. I'm so excited. Really excited.
So I've got 2 kids out here. I've got a 3-year-old and an 8-year-old girl. They are having the time of their lives. This is the intro to motocross racing. It can't be more fun. These guys put on an amazing event.
It's awesome to have these kids out here learning fundamental skills on these electric bikes.
It was pretty fun, and I did really good. Me too.
So far it's been a ton of fun.
It was good. Woo!
If you have little ones that are interested in getting involved in racing, it is not too late. Reach out to me, stop in at the Edge Powersports, and get all the details about what this race series is all about, because it's one that you're not going to want to miss. We have 8 races coming from now until September, and we have so much fun planned. We have giveaways, we have swag. It's going to be a great season, and I can't wait to be a part of it. Again, I'm Landen Powell with the Utah Adventure Group, and we'll see you at the track.